Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring basic prerequisites are met, latest OS updates, and a recent reboot to clear locks. Next, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and force quit Teams plus any Office background helpers so no hung process blocks launch. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it briefly. Network routing can stop the app from initializing. Once done, try launching Teams to see if the app progresses beyond the splash screen before moving to reinstallation. Now you remove corrupted cached data and repair installation files because stale caches often prevent startup. Clear the Teams cache folder for your OS. This forces a clean state on next run. Then use the built-in repair option in Settings right arrow apps on Windows or reinstall the app on Mac OS. Repairing replaces damaged binaries without losing configuration. Also make sure disk space is adequate and run System File Checker or First Aid for Mac OS if you suspect system file corruption. These steps restore missing dependencies. Finally, fully uninstall Teams and remove leftover folders so no invalid files remain. Then install the latest official package to ensure compatibility and updated dependencies. Sign back in with your primary account only to rule out profile conflicts and temporarily remove additional accounts. If the app still won't open, collect Teams logs and test under a new OS user profile to isolate account versus machine issues. If that fails, escalate to your IT admin with logs for deeper server or policy troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.